This is the Bangladesh Pavilion outside. And Bangladesh is also that largest sea beach in the world. Is 150 kilometer. Just see, there is another technology. This is the under the sea. We are moving, see. He come from Iran. She was Iranian, and then this is the driverless taxi. Hello guys, what's up? This is Suel Raman from I Love Travel, and welcome to another brand new video. And today is the 6th day in the Expo 2020. And which pavilion I am starting today? Any guesses? Bangladesh, my country. Just have a look. This is Bangladesh Pavilion. So today I am starting with the Bangladesh Pavilion. Just stay with me and enjoy the video. This is the Bangladesh Pavilion outside. See that mustard plants garden, and this is our national fish, Hilsa fish. And this is another site. This is the catching fisher boat, and this is President of Bangladesh, Abdul Hamid Khan. And this is present Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, and this is our icon Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, যার হাত ধরে আমরা স্বাধীনতা অর্জন করেছিলাম, স্বাধীনতা লাভ করেছিলাম 1971 সালে 30 লক্ষ শহীদের রক্তের বিনিময়ে। সো লেটস গো ইনসাইড। শুরুতেই শেখ মুজিবুর রহমানের ফটো। এই যে 1971 সালে যখন উনি 7ই মার্চ ভাষণ দিয়েছিলেন, মুক্তিযুদ্ধের জন্য তৈরি হও, স্বাধীনতা অর্জন করতেই হবে। এই যে তখনকার ছবি। আর যখন উনি স্বাধীনতার পরে এগুলা, এই যে ওনার এখানে একটা স্ট্যাচু আছে, স্ক্র্যাচ। ইজ এ ফাদার অফ নেশন। বাংলাদেশে বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান, ফাদার অফ নেশন। এখানে বাংলাদেশের কিছু প্রোডাক্ট আছে যে হাতে বানানো কুটির শিল্প। ইজ অল আর বাংলাদেশি প্রোডাক্ট লাইক মেড বাই হ্যান্ড। This is in the Bangladesh. This is the Prime Minister with her members of parliaments. This is আশ্রয় প্রকল্প। এটা হচ্ছে যে গরিব যাদের বাড়ি গৃহহারা তাদেরকে শেখ হাসিনা নিজের অর্থায়নে বা গভর্নমেন্টের অর্থায়নে অ্যাকচুয়ালি থাকার জায়গা করে দিছে, ঘর বাড়ি করে দিছে। এগুলো হচ্ছে ফ্যাক্টরিজ, ইপিজেডের বাহিরের অংশ এগুলা। এটা হচ্ছে ঢাকা শহরে। He is a son of present Prime Minister. His name is Sajib Wazir Joy. He is a ITC advisor of Honorable Prime Minister. He is staying in USA. And this is present President Abdul Hamid Khan. Those are the garments worker they're working in the garments factory. And this is the village that there is all our spices. And this is handmade biscuits. This Bangladeshi product. There is some product is like ceramics. In Bangladesh there is a lots of tourism place, and Bangladesh is also that largest sea beach in the world. Is 150 kilometer. Bangladesh is not alone in the Brazil also, and Thai, Bangladesh and Brazil is on same position, first position together. Is the world largest sea beach in the world. And this is our Bangladesh cricket team. And this is our Prime Minister and Dubai roller. And this is the Crown Prince. And there is some more. There is a box. It's a Bangladeshi brand laptop. And the clothes. Bangladesh is second position for the garment sector in the world. It's a Bangladeshi branded shoes. So this was Bangladeshi pavilions inside, and everything they was highlighting about the what is in, exactly in Bangladesh. Bangladesh also the tourism place, and they're having the hill tracks also there, and sea beach. I was told you the sea beach in the world is 150 kilometer. So and Sylhet also, Sylhet there is a tea gardens, and there is lots of things to see. So Bangladesh also tourism place. So this was the Bangladesh pavilions inside. Now I will go to the UAE pavilion, United Arab Emirates. Let's go there. This is the United Arab Emirates pavilion, UAE. So this is look like the shape is actually falcon shape. So let's go inside. Just have a look. This is when I'm going to inside the UAE pavilion. It's before the main gate. See, it's everywhere. So look nice, right? UAE pavilions inside, starting from here. See the sand. দেখতেছেন বালু, এখানে লেজার লাইটের থ্রু এখানে লেখা হয়েছে যে ওয়েলকাম টু দ্য ডেজার্ট অফ ড্রিমস। ডেজার্ট থেকে কিভাবে ইয়ে হয়েছে ইউএই ছিল পুরা ইয়া, এভরিওয়ার ইট ওয়াজ সেন্ট লাইক দিস ডেজার্ট। নাও ইটস লাইক ড্রিম সিটি। Just see, there is another technology. It's an arc shape. See the another technology. When I'm walking, this going with me. See the UAE, it was like this. Now it's a dream country. This is the under the sea. It look like aquarium. Inside of the UAE pavilion is now we are sitting in a theater. They will show us something in a screen. This is the screen in front of us. So এখানে কিছু একটা দেখাবে ভিডিও করে, ভিডিওতে just have a look. We are moving, see? It's going up. This is the story of UAE. Where we are sitting, that stage is moving sometimes. This is the Rubaiya. She come from Iran. She was Iranian, and then UAE people when they went for the catching fish in the sea. So then that lady, the Rubaiya, she saw the boats and then she was calling, pick me up, and then she went to UAE. She come to UAE. From that time, UAE is started to improve. And this is the Union of United Bangladesh. Our stage is moving. In UAE, how they're growing the plants with this, because we have only sand here, is not perfect for the growing the plants here. So then they are taking this one, this fertilizer for plant. Protecting humans while saving the planet. This is the driverless taxi. It's a G42 powered by. It's a driverless taxi. Just have a look how many cameras there and how many sensors will be here all around the car. See the new technology, driverless car. I saw the driverless metro, but now driverless car. This is the next target of UAE. The UAE also very strongly announced that for the environment there should not be like dirty thing anywhere. So in Expo also there was using the recycling thing. So everywhere, because of the it's very difficult for the because of the UAE is only sand is there. There is nothing like grass plant. So there was now making a gardens everywhere, roadside, around the house, everyone. So and they was trying to save the energy. So then they was using the solar panel everywhere. And this is the satellite. Which one is already in the Mars or around the Mars? In Arab nation, only UAE is the fastest satellite sent in around the Mars. So guys, this was UAE Pavilions inside. They was highlighting about the technologies thing and that the future technology and present. They was already reached in the Mars also. They having in Arab nation only. UAE is the only one country who reach they having satellite in all around the Mars. So this was UAE Pavilions inside, and UAE is they also got a victory in 1971. So in 50 years, oh my goodness, how they reach in this place. And in Arab nation, only UAE is the first hosting the expo, and this is in like UAE. So how it's unbelievable. So this was inside of the expo UAE, the pavilion. So now I'm going to Wasl Tower. Okay, let's see which one is the shape of Earth. So inside of there was showing something like laser light throw. So let's go there. This is the inside of Wasl Plaza. Just have a look.
تسلم هدوء وذاكرة خصبة خيال.
The opening ceremony was there.
هناك امرأة ميزانية تحاول يوم تتكلم تقول أشياء تعنيها حكايتها. ما مثلها مرة ولا مرت دواريها وينام الليل غامض يفوق العقل والتفكير شيء كبير وهي تعبر تجاه الضوء وهو
So guys, this was Wasl Plaza's inside. They was highlighting actually through by laser light. It's actually good art, looking awesome, correct? So I hope you people enjoy. So আজকের ভিডিও এই পর্যন্তই। আজকে এখানে শেষ করতে হচ্ছে ডে 6 এর ভিডিও, দুবাই এক্সপো 2020 ডে 6। সো দেখা হবে আবার নতুন প্যাভিলিয়নে, নতুন কোনো প্যাভিলিয়ন নিয়ে। তো ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। আর করোনার নতুন ভ্যারিয়েন্ট এসে গেছে ওমিক্রন, তো সবাই সাবধানে থাকবেন, সবাই মাস্ক পরবেন অবশ্যই। সো আজকের মতো এখানে বিদায় নিচ্ছি। আর আমার চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না, আপনার ফ্রেন্ডদের সাথেও শেয়ার করবেন সাবস্ক্রাইব করার জন্য। আর কমেন্টস করে জানাবেন আজকের ভিডিও কেমন লাগলো, লাইক দিবেন। আর ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত ভালো থাকেন, বাস আল্লাহ হাফেজ।